the confidence which we carry on our face. I request all of you to give them a huge round of applause. What an amazing view. As if we have just traveled through the whole states in our country, isn't it? So please put your hands together and give them a huge round of applause. I take this opportunity to proudly thank on behalf of the entire faculty of Podar World School, Bhopal. Thank you so much, our beautiful, confident mother parent. Thank you so much.